Electrons are highly mysterious. This topic indeed is quite serious. It's starting to feel so imperious. I think I am becoming delirious. I wanted to finally grasp the quantum mechanics at last. I stayed up for half the night reading, and by morning I felt like retreating. I hardly could see how this thing could be a concept that I could comprehend. It's as if I would come to the point I was numb, all the way to my mind's bitter end after all those hours of thinking, just as I felt I was sinking. Then I started thinking. Our hearts were once close, two nucleons held tight by a force that was strong and a love that burned bright, but that force became weaker as the days faded away, and with it, our bond began to decay. I have realized that opposites don't always attract, otherwise, the atom would be more compact, and opposite we were, our differences great. Continuing this way, we would annihilate. In truth, I have quite had it with your duality, your warm discomposition, cold mentality. We must be entangled. What else can explain how, though we are distant, you still cause me pain? An electron looks like a particle and it also acts like a wave. And once I began to accept this, that electron began to behave. This is called complementarity, when a concept that seems a disparity is the very best way we can show how a set of phenomena go. We have exchanged mediators, but our half-lives were short. All data suggests we should promptly abort. Our collision is over and signatures thereof have vanished, leaving us not a quantum of love. More than 80 years ago, Werner Heisenberg managed to show probability and uncertainty both exist, we must agree. The future's unpredictable, no matter how well we see. Dear Heisenberg embraced this, the beauty of uncertainty. You can either know where the electron is or where the electron is going, but you can't know both at the very same time. Because the measuring effect when you are knowing, it's called complementarity. When a concept that seems a disparity is the very best way we can show how a set of phenomena go. The very act of observation changes an electron's location. The ideas that all came together from Heisenberg to have his changer were inspired by studies before that came from Niels Bohr and Schrödinger. And indeed, Schrödinger and Bohr were inspired by who came before, like Pascal and Coulomb and Newton and Maxwell and Einstein and more. And remember, your imagination is a voice inside that can help you to understand quantum mechanics and so many more things about you. The wilder the concept, the more fun it is. I feel scientifically brave, and thanks to dear Heisenberg, we know an electron is both a particle and a wave.